Hi there, Karen. I'm going to go through your exam. So when we start here, I'm going to go from bottom up here. And the first one I am going to go through, I already have a YouTube video, so make sure you review that for question number 25. Okay, so then we are going to go up to our mesothelioma. Once I type that in, so I am going to make sure that I go down to site classification. And then I'm going to go to Pleura, which takes us to C4 5.0. All right, let's go ahead and move up to see what other questions. This one here, the biggest thing, when you look up codes, I always have to check to make sure that I am spelling everything right. So with this, I have my main term right here. I'm going to go down to, for my subterm, cotton dust, J66.0. I'm going to check over here, airway disease due to cotton dust. I don't have anything else I need to be aware of, so that is going to be my correct answer. Okay, so which is not a cooperating party responsible for approving coding guidelines? And that's going to be who? The World Health Organization. Keep in mind, they are the ones who developed ICD-10, but they are not responsible for approving guidelines every year. That is going to be your other three associations. Which of the following terms, the key word here is inpatient coding. It is just principal diagnosis. So primary first listed, those are going to deal with outpatient coding. HIV disease is found in chapter 1. Your chapter 3 is just blood. HIV is an infectious disease. Okay, type 1 diabetes. Let's keep in mind here that type 1 diabetic needs regular insulin. It is because their pancreas produces little to no insulin. It is known as juvenile type since type 1 is very common among younger people. One thing to remember, it cannot be managed with oral medication. It does need regular insulin injections. Okay, so then the last one here, what I did, I went right to laryngitis. And then we have laryngitis flu. So then you go into that area. Once you go to the flu, and we know that it was A, and we know that with A it was the H5N1, so it's J09.X2. And it's the novel. So let me know if you have any questions on the exam or anything that I went through.